Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing great out there. Today, as you guys can see in the title, it is a fall styling video. Yeah, we are ready for fall. Like I told you guys in my last video, here in Texas, we really don't know what fall is. I put some outfits together, an idea for those are in the really cold climates states, like the tri-state area. Like if you guys don't know, I am from Maryland, but I now live here in Texas. I know in Maryland, DC, Virginia, New Jersey, Delaware, and Alaska, and they be getting really cold. But I did put on some outfit that we could wear and still be chic and still be cute in this fall weather. And I know a lot of people do like fall weather, winter, and all that good stuff. I don't, okay? I like fall because it's not too cold. But I think most of this outfit we can still wear during the fall, and then we can transition it into the winter season. If you're new on the channel, welcome, and if you're old, thank you for checking the video out again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Guys, we are growing little by little. We are growing and we're getting there. So guys, help your girl out. I know you guys enjoyed this video, and also let's talk in the comment section. Go ahead, talk to me, guys. I'm an easy going lady, okay? I'm easy to talk to. So if you guys want to see how this styling video goes, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Guys, this is the first outfit that I put together. This shirt this outfit right here, all three of them are all from H&M. I went over there and I saw me some fly outfit. I don't like going into H&M because H&M be getting my money. Like, I don't like it. I don't appreciate it. But I be finding some really good stuff at H&M. So I got this dress shirt. It's a shirt, a long sleeve shirt. It's blue. A long sleeve shirt right here that I got. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to put on. And this is a pair of pants. I got this pant from H&M. It is tapered at the leg, and it also have a zipper right in front of it. You could zip it up like so, or you could leave it open. I like the openness of it, and it gives a little sexiness to the outfit. Not that the pants ain't sexy enough on its own, but the pants fits really cute, really nice. Honestly, I would say size down. If you're large, get a medium, and if you're extra large, get a large. And I'm a medium mostly in H&M, but I got this in a size small, and it fit pretty well. So I paired it with this shirt right over here. It's just a regular button-up shirt that you could layer. You could layer this. You could wear a sweater on top of it. You could wear something on the inside. And yeah, this is so cute. I also got this in a small. Honestly, this also sized down. It is oversized. I got this in a small, and it does look really huge on me. Honestly, if I had a extra small, I think I would have gotten the extra small, but they didn't have an extra small. They only have it in a small when I went into the store. So it is just this simple button-up shirt over here, and it looks really cute. And with that, you know, like I said, it's fall. With this, you could just wear this for the spring, and I mean for the summer right now, and you'll be good and good to go. But then I added this jacket, short sleeve. Oh my! I have this in two colors. I have this gray one, and I have also this like a tan color on it. Honestly, if they have a black or red or purple, whatever color, I want it all. This is so cute. I also have this in a long sleeve form style of it. This right here is so cute. It is made from their recycled polyester that they do. This is gorgeous. So I put all three of them together. This has a pocket, a big 2 pockets up here, and it also have a pocket right here on the side. It has this little I just love this on clothes, man. Like, it is so cute and so sexy. I really love styling these 3 outfits together. They came together and they look really nice. Don't forget to go in the comment section. Let me know which one you guys like. Hey guys, the next style that I put together is this dress right over here. It's a shirt dress, also from H&M. It's very simple. It's like a, I don't even know what color I'm gonna say this is. Like a brown, but not brown, satiny outfit, pretty long sleeve, and the sleeve right here, it's so cute and it's so long. I got this in a size medium. I would have gotten this in a small and I will be fine, but I decided to get it in a medium because I want the length, because I want to be able to wear this and not put anything on top of it and just wear a thigh-high boots with it. So I want it to be that long. The length is the reason why I got this in a size medium. So it has all this button on it. Excuse me. And it has a pocket right over here. Really cute, really simple. You could wear this summer also, but for you to elevate it during the fall season, I decided to wear this sweater on top of it. This sweater also is from H&M. This sweater also is from H&M. It is 20% recycled cotton. So yeah, this is what this one is. Really cute also, guys. Really, really nice. It has a slit on the side right over here. Also like in the brown, the fall color brown kind of situation going on also. So I paired these two together and I wore a thigh-high boot, and I got the purse. The purse I had with this is from Shein, and I think they all put together. The boot is from Shoe Dazzle. I've had that for a couple of years now. So yeah, this is so cute putting this together. It is such a beautiful outfit. It is sexy at the same time, but you are also warm. And if you want, you could put like a tight, like a, what do you call it? Yeah, tights under it. Stockings. Yeah, you could put that under those net stockings. You could put that under here and it will also look. The next outfit that I'm putting together is this jeans from Fashionnova. We all know what Fashionnova pants be doing on the body, right? It be giving you body on body on body, okay? Even if you don't have the Coke body, you don't have like a shape, when you put on Fashionnova jeans, it be giving you life. So I paired this jean over here. This jean is from Fashionnova. It has buttons on it. I got this in a size 7. It is pretty stretchy, so I'll say stay your size or size down. Long, and it's all the way down to my ankle. I got this sweater from Shein. Honestly, I wish I had sized up in this sweater because the way I want it to fit, I really want it to feel relaxed, that I can put it off the shoulder. But the way it was looking on the model when I bought it, looks like it's very big and it was relaxed on her. And this is I don't size small. So I was like, okay, if you size small on her and is this relaxed, so let me get a size small and it would also be relaxed on me. But apparently I was very wrong. I was very wrong. So I would have loved to, I'm probably going to order this again and get like a medium or a large, because I really want it off the shoulder. I want it to relax, or one off the shoulder and one on, or both of them on the shoulder. So I got this. Very cute though. I love the balloon sleeve on it, and I like the fact that it's cropped right here and it has this little V on it. It's very breathable. It's like a crochet kind of style on the inside, and I paired them both together, put a booty on this, and yes, this is so cute. It's simple, it is chic, it is beautiful. You could go out to like brunch. If you feel, we could go to brunch, we could go to dinner with this, and we know fall is not all that cold, so we could still chill on the outfit. So if you think you're gonna be a little bit cold and stuff if you wear this because it has holes and stuff, just put a little jacket on top. Put this on top of it and baby, you'll be alright. Next outfit I'm putting together is this set that I got from Fashionnova. I had this, if you guys watched my very first video, my very first YouTube video, this outfit was styled in it, and I've not been able to wear it anywhere since I styled that, but hopefully this summer, this fall, I'll be able to wear it. It is this beautiful set, still in the fall color and all. This right here, it's a legging kind of ribbed pants, and also with the ribbed shirt that comes with it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And this is called the tight and right high rise pants set in taupe color, size small. This size small, man. It is huge. It is very big on me, and it is very, very long, guys. And also it has this it also have a zipper at the end right over here. You could leave it open, wear a high heel with it, a simple high heel, a booty or a boot with this, and you should be fine. But this is very big. If you're trying to get this, make sure you size like extra down. If you're a large, I say get a medium, honestly. And if you're a medium, I say get an extra small. Because when I was buying it, when I bought it, it wasn't this big on me. Actually, it got, I guess I lost more weight and it got bigger. But when I put it on, trying to try it on, it was very big. But I still like it. I'll make it work. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. And I think it's very simple, very chic, very ready to go. Put your layered necklace on this, wear a nice booty or nice heels with this, and I think it will be really cute to go out and have fun with your girls or with your boo. Alright guys, the next top that I put together is this jean. This jean is also from Fashionnova in a size small, in a size 7, excuse me. And it also have a button, like I told you guys already. Fashionnova is meant for the jeans. They are good for their jeans. You ain't gonna go wrong. They are stretched. This is really, really stretchy. I also got this in a size 7. Also have some buttons going down, and it's more darker wash. So I did pair it with this bodysuit that I also take this off. I did pair it also with this bodysuit that I got from H&M. This bodysuit is so nice. I did get it in a small, but then I had to return it and get a medium. I got this. I have it in 2 colors. I have this color and I have like a tan color also. It is a straight cut right up here in the front, and it looks really cute. Then I paired it with this blazer that I got from Marshalls. This blazer, I've had this blazer for at least, if not 2 to 3 years, but I've never worn it anywhere. But I just feel like it is like good for this weather. It has some 4 colors: brown, blue, some dark colors and stuff. It is from Cynthia Rowley, but I told you guys I got it from Marshall for $19.99. So yeah, don't sleep on Marshall, guys. Don't sleep on Marshall. They are good. So I paired these 3 together with a nice beautiful heel and a purse and stuff, and I think they look really cute and really chic together. I really like the way I put everything together. They look cool together. I think I wore like a booty that is cut out like in the front and also in the toe area. You guys will see it in the video. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. This is very simple, very chic, very beautiful, very nice. You can wear this to work. You can wear this to work during this fall weather, and if you think you're gonna be cold in the chest area, just put a scarf while you're outside. Put a scarf up. And the last outfit I put together is this right here. Everything right here is from H&M. This little, oh, got a stain on it. Got makeup stain over here on it, but the show goes on, okay? So I got this little, like a small little shirt crop kind of top right here. I got it in a size small. So this is so cute, simple, chic. You can wear it just like this and put a high-waisted pants on top and a little jacket, and you were good to go. So also I got this shirt. This shirt is just like the blue one you guys saw earlier. So I got it also, and I got it in a small also. And it's pretty simple, like I told you guys. Simple, oversized shirt, easy to put on. Oh my God, I got makeup everywhere. That ain't cool. So I got this also nice beautiful white shirt. Y'all know it's white, so it's gonna wash out a little bit. And I also got this tights, also from H&M, brown, beautiful, cute little tights right here. I got this in a size medium. A small would have fit, but it didn't have a small, so I just got it. I'm like, I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. Really long, really cute, really nice set of outfits that I put on. I really like putting them together. They are simple. All the outfits that I put on are very simple, easy to wear. You have a party to go to, you have somewhere professionally to go to during the fall weather, and you don't want to put a 3-piece suit on. I think this right here will probably work and will look really cute on you. Okay guys, to bring us to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys are the real MVP. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Go in the comment section and let me know which one you like better for yourself this fall, winter coming up. So guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.